Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to have you here. Smartphones offer a fantastic way to bridge distances and keep in touch with loved ones. Whether you're eager to video chat with grandchildren, share photos with friends, or explore new apps, this guide will equip you with the knowledge you need. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the joy of staying connected in the digital age. In this user-friendly guide, we'll break down the essentials of smartphone use from the very basics to more advanced features. We'll start by familiarizing ourselves with the key components of your phone, making you comfortable with its layout. You'll master simple gestures like tapping, swiping, and pinching, making navigation a breeze. Get ready to capture and share life's precious moments as we unravel the secrets of your smartphone's camera. Let's begin this exciting journey of discovery and unlock the incredible potential that your smartphone holds. Think of your smartphone as a powerful mini computer that fits right in your hand. Let's start with the basics. The screen is your window to the smartphone world. At the bottom of the screen, you'll usually find the home button. On the side of your phone, you'll find the volume buttons. Lastly, there's the power button. As its name suggests, it's used to turn your phone on and off. Now that you're acquainted with your smartphone's physical buttons, let's unlock the magic of the touchscreen. Tapping is just like it sounds. Using one finger, lightly press the screen to select an app, a button, or a link. Next, we have swiping. This action lets you smoothly glide through different screens and menus. Now let's zoom in and out using the pinch gesture. Lastly, we have the long press. With these simple touchscreen gestures under your belt, you're well on your way to mastering your smartphone. Tapping becomes second nature as you effortlessly open apps and select options. Swiping transforms into a smooth journey as you explore different screens and scroll through lists. The pinch gesture empowers you to control the size of text and images. The long press unlocks a world of hidden features. In the upcoming sections, we'll build upon these foundational touchscreen skills as we dive into exciting features like making calls, sending messages, and capturing your most cherished memories. Now that you're comfortable with the basics of your smartphone, let's learn how to make calls. It's easier than you might think. Remember that green phone icon we talked about earlier? That's your gateway to connecting with friends and family. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll see a keypad just like the ones on traditional phones. If you want to dial a number directly, simply tap the numbers one by one. But what if you want to call someone whose number you don't have memorized? That's where your contacts come in. Congratulations on making your first call. Now, let's explore some handy features that will make your calling experience even smoother. Have you ever wished you could put a call on hold while you found a pen and paper? Look for a button on your screen that says hold or mute. Need to add another person to the call? Many smartphones offer a conference call feature. Look for a button that says add call or has a plus sign icon. And when you're ready to end the call, simply tap the red end call button. Now that you've mastered the art of making calls, let's move on to another essential smartphone skill: sending text messages. Texting is a wonderfully convenient way to stay in touch with loved ones. To begin your texting journey, look for an icon on your phone that resembles a speech bubble or an envelope. This is your messaging app. To start a brand new message, look for a button that usually has a plus sign or says new message. You can either type in the name of the person you want to text or select them from your contact list. After you've carefully crafted your message, take a moment to review it for any typos. When you're happy with what you've written, it's time to send it on its way. Look for a button that resembles a paper airplane or an arrow pointing to the right. Tapping the send button will instantly deliver your message to the recipient. You'll see your message appear in the conversation thread, along with any replies you receive. Many messaging apps also allow you to send pictures and videos, making it easy to share special moments with loved ones. Now, let's unlock the magic of your smartphone's camera. It's your portal to capturing and sharing life's precious moments. To begin your photographic adventure, locate the camera icon on your phone's home screen. A gentle tap on this icon will launch your camera app. You'll notice that your phone's screen transforms into a viewfinder. To capture a still photo, simply tap the white circle button, usually located at the bottom center of the screen. Congratulations on taking your first photo. Now let's delve into some of the amazing features that your smartphone camera offers. One of the most useful features is the ability to zoom in and out. To zoom in on a particular subject, simply pinch outward on the screen using 2 fingers. To zoom back out, pinch inward with 2 fingers. Many smartphones also offer various shooting modes, allowing you to tailor your photos to different situations. Experiment with these modes to discover their unique effects. And don't forget about video recording. Most smartphone cameras allow you to effortlessly capture moving moments. Now that you're comfortable with the basics of your smartphone, let's explore one of its most exciting features: apps. Think of apps as little programs that add specific functionalities to your phone. There's an app for almost everything imaginable. To access this vast library of apps, you'll need to find the App Store on your phone. On iPhones, look for a blue icon with a white A made of stylized lines. On Android phones, look for a colorful triangle-shaped icon that represents the Google Play Store. Once you've located the App Store, give it a tap to open it up. Let's dive into the process of finding and installing apps. At the top, you'll find a search bar. Tap on it and start typing the app name. For example, type Facebook. Tap the app to view its details. Look for the install button. Tapping it will start the download. Let's explore one of the most remarkable features of modern smartphones: voice assistants. These intelligent helpers are like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. Imagine this: instead of tapping and typing, you can simply speak to your phone. It's like magic, but powered by advanced technology. On iPhones, this magical helper is called Siri. On Android phones, you have the Google Assistant. You'll notice a visual cue indicating it's listening. Now comes the fun part, asking questions and giving commands. Exploring voice assistant capabilities. Beyond providing information, voice assistants can also perform a wide range of tasks on your smartphone. For instance, you can ask your voice assistant to make a phone call for you. Simply say something like, "Hey Siri, call contact name." Similarly, you can use your voice to send text messages. Just dictate your message naturally, and your voice assistant will transcribe it and ask for confirmation before sending it. It's a fantastic way to stay connected without having to type. But that's not all. Voice assistants can also set reminders, schedule appointments, play music, set alarms, and even control compatible smart home devices. The possibilities are constantly expanding as technology evolves. As you become more comfortable using your voice assistant, don't hesitate to explore its capabilities further. You can ask it questions like, "What can you do?" or "Show me some examples." You'll be amazed by how much it can help you with. Staying informed with notifications. Smartphones are excellent communicators. Notifications keep you in the loop. They pop up on your screen as gentle alerts. At the top, you'll see a designated area for notifications. It's like a little inbox for updates. Swipe down to see detailed notifications. It's like opening a curtain to reveal what's behind it. Notifications help you stay informed without constantly checking apps. Personalizing your smartphone. Let's discover how to personalize its settings. Tailor your phone to suit your needs and preferences. Make your smartphone truly your own. Adjust the screen brightness for better visibility. Increase brightness in sunlight. Lower brightness in low light conditions. Look for the settings icon resembling a gear or cogwheel. This is your phone's settings menu. Tap on display or brightness. Use the slider to adjust brightness. Personalize the volume settings. Adjust ringtone and notification volumes. Increase ringtone volume if needed. Lower notification volume for subtle sounds. Return to settings and look for sound or volume. Fine-tune the volume levels. Embrace the connected world. Congratulations on reaching the end of this journey into the world of smartphones. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basic components and touchscreen gestures to making calls, sending messages, capturing memories with your camera, exploring the vast world of apps, using voice assistants, managing notifications, and even personalizing your phone's settings. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use your smartphone, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to experiment. Explore new features and personalize your phone to suit your needs. The world of smartphones is constantly evolving, but the fundamentals we've covered here will provide a solid foundation for you to navigate this exciting technological landscape. Embrace the power of connection, convenience, and the joy of staying in touch with loved ones. We hope this guide has empowered you to unlock the incredible potential of your smartphone. Go forth, explore, and enjoy the journey.